Now, in response to that, we started investing, as I said, in what we call dynamic macro handling, giving our models the ability to, in real time, respond to macro changes and giving the model what we call time as a feature, meaning telling our models that not all years are created equal, and that time is something you can actually use in combination with any arbitrary characteristic of loans to understand what's changing about the world. And by doing that and building certain techniques to make our models train and update much faster, we're able to now backtest what would have happened if we had our state-of-the-art systems back when this all played out. So with those new systems in place, we would, in Q1 of 2022, have immediately started seeing our models respond to the training data. They still would think that it's not totally obvious if it's here to stay. And as those curves are really steep, there would be 2 quarters where you would still have underperformance. You have eliminated the majority of the underperformance immediately, but you would still have some. But within just 3 quarters, you start getting very significant reductions in the loss variance. And by the end of the very first year of the turn in the credit cycle, we go from a sort of real history where we had 41% of excess loss variance to right where we want to be, which is right around or below 0%, meaning that there are actually just slightly fewer realized defaults than we predicted, which is where we like to sit. And that effect persists through the entire rest of the time series here. So really powerful stuff, and it makes us very optimistic that in the ability to handle sort of generalized turns of the credit cycle, because there's nothing about what we put in place here that was specific to 2022 or the specific way that the end of stimulus effect played out. It's all just sort of native machine learning stuff, and it all it sees is actually just data.